To turn on or off read the character aloud in phonetic name feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap spoken assistant. Tap speak keyboard input aloud. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, scroll down the screen and then tap the on off switch next to phonetic alphabet to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. As a note, this option will be available if you have set your phone to read character or to read character and word. Next, to see how these features work, open an app where you can type something. Type something and you will hear your phone read each character you type aloud in its phonetic name. As the example, if you type the letter A, your phone will read it as alpha.
Alpha. B bravo.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.